Hello. Today we're diving into a topic that can make or break your hotel experience: room size. I'm Anna, your virtual tour guide from Travel Tips GR. After browsing through numerous hotel reviews, it's clear that many travelers often find themselves disappointed with the smallest, classic double room types. One traveler in Chania admits, "If I'd realized, I might have booked a bigger room." Hotel room sizes can vary widely based on a hotel's star rating and accommodation type. In Greece, 3-star hotel double rooms start at 15 square meters, 4-star rooms are around 18 square meters, and 5-star rooms have a minimum of 20 square meters. However, even with these standards, some highly recommended Chania hotels have guests griping about small rooms. "The standard rooms are very small, barely room to move around," Chris from the US complains. We also checked other European cities like London, Munich, and Rome, and found similar size standards for double rooms, although London surprised us with the 7 square meter rooms. So, here are the key takeaways. 1. Hotel rankings matter. Fancy hotels often offer more spacious rooms, even in the economy category. New and higher-ranking hotels tend to exceed minimum size requirements. 2. Different room types. Hotels get creative with room categories like standard or deluxe rooms, and junior, superior, or executive suites. Each one comes with its own size and perks. 3. Suites and more. If you're craving extra space, suites are your go-to. They usually include a bedroom and a separate living area. Studios and apartments are also roomier, thanks to their kitchen or kitchenette and, sometimes, dining spot. 4. Your needs rule. Your personal preferences and needs should be your top priority. If you're planning extended holidays, especially with family or carrying lots of luggage, a standard room might not suffice. As one traveler wisely noted, "The room wasn't big enough to lay out our luggage." Remember, while hotels can't change their room sizes, you can make a wise choice that suits your requirements. 5. Outdoor fun and common areas. Balconies or terraces can make your room feel more expansive, especially if they offer scenic views. And don't forget, hotel lobbies and common areas are perfect spots to unwind, work, or catch up with friends. So make the most of this extra space if available. Lastly, explore. Travel is all about socializing and exploring new places, so don't just stay cooped up in your room. Get out there and discover. In summary: 1. Prioritize your needs. 2. Choose a hotel within your budget. 3. Select the room type that suits you best. But what if your needs and budget don't align perfectly? Well, a little compromise goes a long way. And always remember, other factors like cleanliness, comfy beds, good vibes, and sound insulation can truly make or break your hotel experience. And that's a wrap for today. Thanks for joining us, and follow for more travel tips.